My administration no dey for Wayo, na to conduct free and fair elections. Buhari na him talk this one. President Buhari don receive delegates from Nasarawa State for Aso Rock. Governor Abdullahi Sule, when be governor of Nasarawa State and leader of the delegate, talk say them contact President Buhari for the ogbonge project they do for Nasarawa State, especially as President Buhari take approve, say make federal government take over Lafia Airport.
By this approval, Your Excellency, we can now see our airport being properly utilized, not only as the cargo airport that was originally meant for, but as a commercial and, more importantly, a security airport. This will create enormous economic activities, employment opportunities, and more importantly, more security for our state and our region. Most heartwarming is the approval of the refund of all the expenses incurred in the construction of the airport by the Nasarawa State government.
The Constitution talk say Nasarawa State tanda gidigba to support President Buhari even as they plan to come up for office.
I wish to reiterate the assurances of the goodwill, support, and loyalty of the good people of Nasarawa State to your administration, even as you prepare to round up your tenure. We thoroughly pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will continue to grant Your Excellency good health, divine guidance, and enduring capacity to continue to deliver service.
President Buhari compromise say them they committed to improve infrastructure everywhere for Nigeria.
The proximity of Nasarawa State to the FCT naturally makes the state a partner in infrastructural development. We therefore need more collaboration to enhance this proximity with other contiguous states to achieve more integrated development. I am personally committed to the joint efforts by the state and the federal government to facilitate easy transportation by road, railways, and airports, and as far as no nation can be said to be developed without these components of infrastructure.
President Consti talk say elections for Anambra, Ekiti, and Osun states don't show say him administration they determined to make sure say Nigeria get free and fair election for 2023.
The up-season elections in Anambra, Ekiti, and Osun states confirm the administration's resoluteness on this matter. My desire for our nation is that the 2023 elections should clearly mark the commencement of the institutional strength of our electoral body in conducting acceptable, credible, and violence-free elections. The new Electoral Act is an attestation of the fulfillment of our determination and commitment to the tenets of the rule of law.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News.